welcome back to the bridge course class. So in the last class we have started with the introduction of mathematics. In introduction of mathematics I have told to use the different symbols to indicate the mathematical language. In this class you are going to start with the basic operation. So that is, first you have to go through the tables, then you have to go through the, so before starting the bridge course, dear students, you have to grow with the 4 operations as well as the tables. So before watching this class, first you have to learn the tables up to from 2 to 20. 2 to 20 you have to learn the tables in your home, and you have to send me on voice note on my WhatsApp personal number. Okay, next you have to go to the first operation, that is addition. Addition operation you have to go. In the addition operation you have to take any two examples in your home, that is 23 plus 19. So go through this. So 9 plus 3, that is 12, 1 carry. So again this is 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, that is 42. So like this in your home, try different examples of addition and note down and send me on my WhatsApp number. Then you have to go through the subtraction operation. You have to take one different example on subtraction example. So I will take 64 minus of 23. So I got 4 minus 3, that is 1, 6 minus 2, that is 4, that is 41. Okay, so like this is a subtraction operation. So all these 4 operations you have to go through the home. Next operation is multiplication. In multiplication, just to take one example, so I will take one example, that is 23 into, I will take into 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, again 3 2s are 6, that is 69. So this is a multiplication operation. Last operation is division operation. In this division operation I will take example, that is 24 divided by, that is 3. Okay, so 3, that is 24. So again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, like this 3 8s are, it is 24. So 8 is your required answer. Okay, so in your home just go through the addition. In addition you have to take 10 examples and you have to solve. Similarly go through the subtraction, take 10 examples of subtraction, solve in your home, take your own examples. Then go through the multiplication. Then after multiplication, take 10 examples of multiplication and solve it and send it in the PDF form. And after that go through the division. Okay, in division also you take 10 examples and just try it in your home. Okay, dear students, so I told about the 4 operation and tables. So in the bridge course, first concept I am taking as fractions. Okay, so first concept I am taking as fractions. What do you mean by the fraction? So as you learned in your previous classes, so what is a fraction? The numbers expressing in the form of a by b. The numbers expressing in the form of a by b, where a is your numerator, and b is your denominator. Okay, so this is the definition of fraction. The numbers expressing in the form of a by b, where a is called numerator and b is called denominator. Okay, but what is the one thing here? A and b should be natural numbers. A and b are natural numbers in the fractions, and b is not equals to 0. So this is definition of fractions. Okay, the numbers expressing in the form of a by b, where a is numerator and b is denominator. A and b should be natural numbers. So in the fraction, first part you are studied as, that is proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? So in the previous class you have studied in numbers, the numbers expressing in the form of a by b, but Condition is what? The number expressing in the form of a by b. The condition is what? A should be less than b. That is, numerator should be less than denominator. Okay, numerator should be less than denominator. That is, example, by knowing the example you will come to know. That is example, that is 1 by 2 or 2 by 3. Here see, 1 by 2 in 1 by 2, here the numerator is having a number as 1 and denominator is having as 2. Similarly 1 by 2, here numerator is less than denominator. Here numerator is 1, denominator is 2. If you go through the example 2 by 3, 2 by 3 you are having the example, that is 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Okay, so see here, this is the definition of proper fraction. The numbers expressing in the form of a by b. Condition is what? Numerator should be less than denominator. Examples 1 by 2 comma 2 by 3. So this is the definition for proper fraction and example for proper fraction. Now next, if you go, that is after proper fraction, next you are having as, that is the second one, that is improper fraction. Improper fraction. So improper fraction you are having as the numbers expressing in the form of a by b. Here the condition is numerator should be greater than denominator. Numerator should be greater than denominator. The examples if you see, that is 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. So these are the examples for improper fraction. So condition, so see a definition, the numbers expressing in the form of a by b, but condition is what? Numerator should be greater than denominator. Example, see, here numerator is greater than denominator. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. See, if you see this, numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. 3 is greater than 2. So this is according to the condition of improper fraction. Similarly, if you go for 4 by 3, here see numerator is 4 and denominator is 3. According to the condition of improper fraction. The improper fraction definition says the numbers expressing in the form of a by b, where condition is what? Numerator should be greater than denominator. So these are the examples 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. Next, if you go through the mixed fraction, third one, that is mixed fraction. This is third type, that is mixed fraction. The numbers expressing in the form of whole and its parts. The numbers expressing to whole and its parts. Okay, so see here example, if you are having, that is 2 integer 1 by 3. So this is the whole number. So numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity are called whole numbers. So this is 2 integer or 2 whole 1 by 3 or 2 integer 1 by 3. The numbers expressing in the 2 whole and its parts. So this is the part. Okay, if you go through the live example, so see here I am having somewhat one apple. Okay, if I cut into 2 parts, so I am getting as 1 by 2 as well as 1 by 2. Okay, if I cut this apple again into 4 parts, so again it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, so see here, this is the proper fraction, but see we want mixed fraction. So see here I will keep this only the half part, and this I will keep this as 1 by 4, I will keep this part, and this I will keep this as 1 by 4. So this is one apple and this is somewhat the apple portion. So this is 1 and this is 1 by 4. So in this we can write, so this express in the form of figure, but how will write in the form of mixed fraction, that is 1 integer, that is 1 apple with 1 by 4. So this is the example for mixed fraction. So these are some definition of fraction, proper fraction, then improper fraction and mixed fraction. So all of you just note down the point. See here I will explain fraction definition. So see, all of you note down in your notebook what do you mean by the fraction. The numbers expressed in the form of a by b, where a and b are called natural numbers and b is not equals to 0. So this is called definition of fraction. Proper fraction, the numbers expressed in the form of a by b where numerator is less than denominator. Example I have shown in the previous concept. Similarly, second one, that is improper fraction. In the improper fraction, the numbers expressed in the form of a by b, but condition is what? Numerator should be greater than denominator. Lastly, the final definition, that is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, you are having the numbers expressing two whole and its part. So this is the whole and this is the part. Okay, so I hope so you understood the definition of fraction and types of fraction.